AI news anchors set to replace human newsreaders on television. In a groundbreaking move that signals a significant shift in the landscape of traditional news broadcasting, artificial intelligence news anchors are set to replace human newsreaders on television screens. This development comes as a result of rapid advancements in AI technology and its integration into various industries. Television networks, grappling with the challenges of staying competitive in a fast-evolving media landscape, are turning to AI to streamline their operations and deliver news content to viewers in an innovative and engaging manner. The AI news anchors are designed to mimic the cadence, tone, and style of human newsreaders, creating a seamless transition for viewers accustomed to the familiar faces on their screens. The AI news anchors, developed through a collaboration between leading technology companies and media organizations, utilize cutting-edge natural language processing and deep learning algorithms to read and present news scripts. These AI systems are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, enabling them to provide up-to-the-minute news coverage with unmatched speed and accuracy. This represents a significant leap forward in the field of AI technology, said Dr. Sarah Roberts, a leading AI researcher at the Institute of Technology and Innovation. The ability of these AI news anchors to adapt to different news genres, maintain a consistent on-air presence, and provide an engaging viewer experience is truly remarkable. Television networks are taking a cautious approach to this transition, emphasizing that AI news anchors will complement human journalists rather than replace them entirely. Our aim is to enhance the news delivery process and provide a more dynamic and informative experience for our viewers, noted Jennifer Miller, the CEO of a major broadcasting network. AI technology allows us to present news in innovative ways while still preserving the essential role of human journalists in producing high-quality content. Viewers can expect to see AI news anchors gradually integrated into news broadcasts over the coming months. This bold step towards the future of news presentation promises to reshape the way audiences receive and engage with information, ushering in a new era of technology-driven journalism.